Hello and welcome to Este short demonstration video. I'm Rami Schiffer, head trainer here at the Este International Security Academy, and I would like to present for you our Secure 005 kit, our advanced explosive recognition training kit. This kit contains different types of explosives and components of an improvised explosive device, or as we call it, the IED. It's crucial that in the process of training as security personnel, they must be familiarized with the items they are supposed to find. We use this kit in all our security courses. Let's take a look inside. We have here 14 different types of explosives and more than 10 pieces that together composes an IED, improvised explosive device. For instance, we have here this improvised initiator. It is a light bulb filled with metal wool. Let's see how it works. I'm connecting the small light bulb to an electrical source and we'll see what happens. Remember, it is filled with metal wool. As we see, we get a small fire.